What's up, guys? Welcome to your Bitcoin update. This is going to be an exciting video. Definitely stick around for the whole thing. You don't want to miss it. We're going to go through a bunch of charts. We're going to look at what's going on. We're going to see where we might get a bounce. And yeah, just stick around. Definitely don't forget to check out the Discord group. There's a free link below in the description. Definitely check it out, and let's get into it. All right, guys, as always, it's not financial advice, trading advice, nor is it investment advice. Don't forget, we do a free Ledger Nano S hard wallet giveaway every Sunday. All you have to do to enter to win is make sure you subscribe to the channel, tick the notification bell to get you notified when I post videos, smash that like button, and leave a comment below. That will get you entered to win. Also, share the video if you enjoy them. All right, so looking at the Dow. Like I said, I think this is still just a bull trap up here. We're still making bearish divergence, although the Dow has been going higher. A close below this trend line again, I think it will be it for the Dow. And as of right now, it's around 30,950. So a close below that today, probably going to be pretty bearish for the Dow. If we can open and close another one, we may have further to go up with it. Gold, still looking for the 1736 target. If that breaks, 1647. The dollar index, it is still looking good. I know it looks like it's going down, but we are still within our fractal here. It's playing out almost identical, guys. As you can see, it got a little rejected on the RSI here. This is the 3-day if you guys want to check it out. But once we break through this, I think the dollar is going to cruise up quickly. As you can see, everything looks identical in the indicators and everything here. So anyways, let's look at what's going on. Let me get the RSI off of here and take a look at what's going on. So as I've been saying, this could possibly be our top. I still stand by that until if we break this trend line up here, and as of today, it's around 37.6. If we can get back above this falling trend line here, then we could get our jump up to possibly, and actually that's going to go lower now, around $50,000. I don't think that's going to happen, but it doesn't matter what I think. We have to follow the charts. And as of right now, we had this target at 32.3, and I said if that broke, we could be going much lower. And as of right now, it has broken this rising wedge here. And if we take a measured move of that rising wedge to where we broke down, it gets us around the 12,500 to 12,600 area. That does not mean that we fall down in one straight candle, guys. We've talked about this. Looking at this as an ABC, we should fall to around this 28.4 to 28.5 range. Most likely get a bounce. Probably come back up to test that 34,000 area, which would be the bottom of the wedge, before continuing down. If this is a 1, 2, 3, then we'd be looking for the $20,800 range, then possibly a bounce back up to the 28, 29,000 before continuing down to possibly 12.5. I know that sounds crazy, but I'm going to show you a chart at the end of the video why we could be topped out and why it could be a year early. The bull runs over and it could end up looking a lot like 2017. You don't want to miss it. Stick around to the end. We're also going to take a look at XRP. But this is where I'm at with it now. As you guys remember, back here, we had noticed this hidden bearish divergence. We had lower highs in the price action, higher highs in the RSI, which was also testing the bottom of this wedge. And we expected this move. So if you've been watching the channel, you know we've been expecting this. If we zoom in, we are breaking past the 200 EMA as of making this video. So it is looking pretty damn bearish, guys. If you guys are interested in trading where you can make money, whether the price is going up or down, you don't have to just sit and hodl and hope. Check out Prime XBT. I'll leave a tutorial up top on how to use their margin. If you use my promo code SAVY50, we'll get you 50% on top of whatever you deposit up to 1 Bitcoin to use towards your margin. SAVY25 will get you 25% off your fees. You can trade crypto, Forex, gold, silver, oil, S&P, Dow Jones, natural gas, all on one exchange. Definitely check it out if you haven't already. And they allow you to use multiple multiple trades. You don't have to just clump all your trades into one. You can have shorts and longs at the same time, so you can hedge your positions. They also have a cool setup. You can put multiple charts on your screen without having to have multiple monitors. So anyways, so this is the dollar index in green laid over Bitcoin. We've been talking about this trend line. We have bottomed out on it. There is a chance we'd come down and touch it one more time like we did twice back here, but usually signifies the top in Bitcoin. And when the dollar bottoms, if I move this up, or when the dollar tops, Bitcoin's bottomed. Dollar top, Bitcoin bottomed. Just a lot pointing to a possible multi-year bear market. And I've pointed out before, and this is just showing you that everybody using the log charts and these arcs are easily manipulated. I manipulated this one to say that we've topped out. Just be careful with that, guys. Anyways, looking at the bullish case, there is still a bullish case, and that being one more leg up after leg 4, a 4-wave down here in the yellow, which would end the year on wave 3 in December. Like everybody thinks that it has to continue this bull run till December because it happens every time, right? You've been conditioned to think that, just like you've been conditioned to buy the dips. So when you buy the dips, it goes up and big money can sell into it and get higher prices for their Bitcoin every time. That's what creates triangles. And I'll explain that in a minute. That's what creates triangles at the tops. But anyways, our retracement levels, which we broke through the 0.236 fib already, is 33,000. And our next fib level is around 27.5 at the 0.382. And we had the 0.5 at 23.1 and then 0.618 at 18.4. Now, I'm expecting one of these to hit in June. If we get the bullish case, we should get one huge pump up towards the end of the year to around that $50,000 range. This doesn't necessarily have to happen. This could be just like this back here, and it could be over, and I will show you a chart showing that. Definitely, if we go below 14,000 at any point, then we're most likely definitely going down to below 10,000 again. And this doesn't mean soon. This doesn't happen in a day, guys. This is, look at this. This was a 2-year bear market. It takes time. It's not a straight line up or a straight line down. All right, let's take a look at, this is the funding rate. We still have a lot more longs in. Obviously, people are starting to put shorts in, but I had drawn this triangle here just for speculation to show you how tops are formed. We could probably move this down now. But what happens after a top? Everybody's looking at levels like the 21 EMA, and big money knows that. People will buy, so they'll wait for them to buy it up, make it look like it's going up high again, and then they'll sell in again, push it down, and then when people, this one could go to the 55 EMA down here, around 28.8. That's the area I'm looking for. And get a bounce, and they know that, so they'll let people buy it and get super bullish again. Then they can sell higher. If they sell all their Bitcoin up top, Bitcoin just keeps going lower and lower, and they get less and less every sell. Just keep that in mind, guys. And like I showed you before, this is the Wall Street cheat sheet. I do think we're in a complacency zone, which we're dropping out of now. Next will be anxiety, denial, panic, bear market. So let's look at, this is 2017. As you can see, the rising channel, we had 2 humps here. And the reason I'm saying we could have ended a year early, and this doesn't have to go until the end of the year like everybody thinks, because you've been, again, conditioned to think. 2017 July was the first touch on the bottom of this channel. 2017 July, right here. 2017 September, right there. 2017 September, right there. Then we blew through. We got to blow off top, I believe. And again, it doesn't mean it's straight down from here, guys. We could go back up into the $38,000 range and just keep bouncing to get people bullish on each one of these bounces so big wallets can empty. And then they'll buy back here. We could be looking around the beginning to mid 2022, just like back here. And as you can see on this second touch on the top of the channel here, the rising channel was right about $5,000 range. If you guys remember, we played with $6,000 forever, and I'm going to show you that on here. And that is around the area we actually broke, right around 6,100. And we bounced on that for, the first time we touched it was February of 18, and we broke through in November. So almost a year playing on that top breakout. Now, where would this one be? Right about 14.4. So that would make people think that we're not dropping past this. So then this could still be a wave 3 and then a 4. So chances are we bounce around the top of this for a while. And then finally have our capitulation. We bounce past the second hump here, like we did over here. And sometime in 22 over here would be the bottom of a multi-year bear market. Now remember, Bitcoin usually drops 80 to 90% on a bear market. If we dropped 80%, that would get us to around the 8,000 zone range. If we drop 90, that would get us around the 4,000. Again, a lot of people say it's impossible. And we could be wrong, we could go up from here, like I said, but I would expect at least June until we get a real massive bounce to finish that last leg if it happens. But guys, you can't deny that this is looking a lot like this. Just be careful. Don't get too overly bullish. XRP, as you guys know, still looking for that 4 cents. It's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave. And even though people ask, are you going to buy there at 4? I wouldn't touch XRP with your money and blame it on somebody else. But it's just not happening. I'm just showing you guys what this coin is going to do, in my opinion. And if you guys enjoyed the video, check out my wife's webpage. It's a great way to support the channel. InkYourImage.com. She has a lot of cool stuff on here. She can do a lot of personalized things, even face masks, pictures, portraits on slate, glass, aluminum, ornaments, blankets, pillows, and there is also a crypto section. So again, guys, be careful out there. Thanks a lot for stopping by and staying to the end if you did. If you did stay to the end, just put hey down there at least so I know you stuck to the end. But anyways, don't forget to subscribe to the channel by clicking the Crypto Savvy logo above my head. Smash the like button, leave your comment below, and share the video. Thanks a lot, guys. I'm out.